We all know it's pretty difficult to shop for a man because the man has got lots of preferences about things. They're quite difficult. Okay, so when you find something that your man's like, your man or your man's, I don't know. When you find something that I like, it is quite very clever to buy it in every color because that's the thing they like. So Valentine's Day, either when you're a man you buy for yourself, if you're a lady you buy for him, or use his card to buy for him. Anyway, this is the short that we've got. This is the most popularest short that we've ever had. It sits above your knee. It's got all of the cargo pocketies and all of the stuffies. And why I'm saying this is the perfect short for your man to buy is because if he likes the khaki color, then we have got the same one in olive green, in a steel blue, in a charcoal, in a navy, and I dropped the other one to a taupe brown chocolatey color and a tobacco color. So buy one in every color. That is just what I'm trying to say. And because your lady was so nice to buy you all of the shorts, buy her this beautiful pair of fallies. This is called the Daisy Fallie. And look at that nice brown detailing there. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any other day because you love each other and we buy stuff because we love each other.